Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can close a Hilal Bank account easily. So guys, the first step, you need to withdraw your all money in your bank account, as you can see here. After that guys, go to this form, as you can see here, account closer request. Fill the form guys by fill this information, customer name, as you can see here, and account number, as you can see here guys, and the reason of foreclosure, as you can see here, and write account number, IBAN, bank name, and this all information guys fill out and go to this and complete and sign up here, signature, as you can see here guys, and go to this send this request via this email, as you can see here, this email. This is how you can do guys to close your account and this form from this email. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content.